After steam engines, assembly lines, and IT, smart factories and machinery will shape the next industrial revolution. Industry 4.0 has arrived. When manufacturing is linked to IT and communications technology, you benefit from higher availability, better quality assurance, and more efficient production, even in smaller batches. Choose the path to a smart factory with TURCK, your global partner for factory and process automation. From RFID and I/O link to OPC UA and Ethernet, we specialize in the key technologies of Industry 4.0 and the Internet of Things, supporting you with reliable solutions for collecting, transmitting, and processing relevant production data. For more than 50 years, we've been developing and producing efficient solutions for your automation requirements. Customers in a wide range of industries and sectors place their trust in the experience and expertise of our specialists. With around 30 national subsidiaries, as well as sales partners in 60 additional countries, we're always available for you and your customers. Our state-of-the-art production facilities in Germany, Switzerland, the US, Mexico, and China allow us to quickly and flexibly meet the requirements of local markets at all times. TURCK, your global automation partner.